Peace and prosperity be unto all who's listening and watching. It's your girl Shaeranea, right? And I'm back with another video. And today's video won't be long, but I want to talk to you guys about what I done today and why I find what I done today very important for your, not only your businesses, your future, whatever it is that you intend to do for yourself, and how it can, basically increase like abundance in your life. So I worked on clearing making a dispute on my credit because a company had put hospital emergency on my credit, and this I already paid it off. Like, I had to prove that I had already paid off my credit, right? Or like paid off that hospital bill that they placed on my credit. And the thing about this place was every email they gave me to send the proof so I can get the credit, to get it removed off my credit, they were beating around the bush. So instead of going through them, I just went through TransUnion because I already paid TransUnion to, keep up with my credit score. So I made a dispute, and I took the time to send them the proof today. I mailed it in the mail. So that should be cleared within 30 days. I'm super stoked, super happy, because I intend to get a business card because I really need it. Also another credit card because I need to use that for gas. That'll help me keep up with all my gas. I have another credit card. I think I do a lot of extra spending, but actually that's pretty good for my credit because the more you spend, the more likely it'll rise. But also, you want to be using small amounts of credit. Right now, I'm in the yellow. Green is the best to stay in because that's like a lower. You're good. Green is fine. Yellow is like, okay, you're going up. You're is decent. But red and the credit spending limit is like bad. But I don't really believe it's that bad because you can increase your credit if you pay it off the right way. You know what I'm saying? So credit works in so many ways, and the reason why I believe that everyone who watches this should work on their credit is because you can get a home, you can get a car without you can leave a lot with a brand new car without having to pay for it. You can start a new business. You can start a business without credit, but still, having credit can just make things so much better, So it helps your life in so many ways. And there's so many things that we get into as we get older. And there's so many things that we want and so many things we want to buy. And there's a lot of hotels and places that you go when you're traveling that, when you do credit, they have some credit cards that are like points. So it's levels to credit because some credit cards are just credit cards. And then you got some credit cards that are like points for when you go to like places like hotels, or you get points for like gas and stuff. But it helps you, like, it really does help, guys. Like, if you're somebody who is into traveling and you got good credit cards and you got travel credit cards and you have it's just so many different kinds. I could go deeper into it, and I know some people who do credit. So if you're ever interested in getting your credit done, getting something to speed it off your credit, I'm definitely someone you can talk to. I definitely know a few people. I know a lot of people who are doing credit. It's really important that you work on it because it just opens so many doors. And you know what? It's like the credit peak places know when you like going up on your credit because they like send you all this mail about how you're qualified for all these credit cards. You just want to be better. You want to be your best self. And like credit just makes life so much better. You know what I'm saying? Getting land, get a house, get you a nice car. I want a truck. I can't wait to buy me a truck. I'm ready to get me something new for myself. I've been driving a Pontiac for the past 4 years. It's been paid off for a while though. I'm super happy. I want to get me a truck, but I need to really figure out what kind of truck I want. Now, I was gonna get like a Colorado truck, but I'm not really sure. So the purpose of me working on my credit is to get myself to a place where I can afford things like trucks and, do things like buy things like ATMs, or just like get really invested, because I'm an investor. And when you're an investor, you don't want to be limited in no aspect. You want to buy something, they be like, well, if you have good credit, we can knock this down to like this. They'll negotiate, they'll reason with you. You got power when you got credit. Credit is power. It gives you leverage that you never thought you can have. So I hope this encourages you guys. This wasn't supposed to be this long, but it turned out to be a little longer. But the biggest thing about it is, guys, I want to stress how important credit is and how you need to really be working on it. So trust that credit can help you in a time where you really need it. So if there's ever a time that you mess up your car, you can't afford insurance, but your credit's good, you can end up getting you a new car. It just depends. Just put yourself in a position of where you can leverage things, where you leveraging money, leveraging knowledge, leveraging credit, leveraging other people's money. Just put yourself in a position where you're being wise in your life, making better decisions. This is 2020. Like, let's step up. Let's be our best selves. And that's the best we can do, okay? Love you guys.